Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Kaz Honeywell Tower Fan. It's a great little tower fan if you're living in an apartment or smaller home, or you need something for a smaller room. Just because it works best in smaller environments. Definitely not your big industrial fan, but for an easy portable fan, it really does the job well. Gets pretty hot here in the summers in LA, so instead of turning on the air conditioner and having that running all day, save a little bit of energy with our fans, only having those on when we're home. The reason that I got this one in particular was because I knew it was a tower fan. It's got a really slim build, easy to kind of just tuck away when you're all done using it, which is really nice. You can put it in the corner. I use it to sleep, so when I wake up, do is unplug it, stick it in the corner, it's away for the rest of the day. No need to worry about it or see it, doesn't become like an eyesore or anything, which is awesome. First off, I'm going to talk to you about the buttons that you see on top. So as you can see, they're pretty much 4 buttons, really easy to use. First one powers the fan on, right there. Comes up nicely, and right now it's on the softest setting. You can almost barely hear that. It does also have these nice little LED lights on top, so you can always see what setting you're on. And the cool thing also about them being on top is that if you are using this to sleep, you're not going to see the lights in the middle of the night. It won't bother you or anything, which is cool. There are 3 speeds, and that can be toggled through with this button right here. It's the strongest speed. Even that, for how much air this thing is actually pushing through, it's not very loud, which is nice. Pretty soft even at the highest setting. Again, easy to sleep with, especially if you're kind of into the soft white noise thing when you're sleeping. I know I am, so cool in that way. It does have the oscillation setting as well. This fan oscillates at about 180 degrees. So, obviously you're not going to cool down an entire room, but you can get a pretty good portion of your room. The timer on top as well is here, and you can toggle that between 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. Essentially, after that amount of time, the fan will shut off, so it's good if you're trying to save energy, or you only need it for like an hour. Again, I use this for when I'm going to sleep at night, so I'll turn it on maybe like 1 or 2 hours, and I know by that time I'll be asleep and I won't need the fan anymore, so why keep it on if I don't need it? Yeah, it's pretty simple. So yeah, as for the build, again, super thin, very tall. During the winters, I can easily put this in the garage or in our hall closet here, and I don't have to worry about it taking up much space. So really a manageable fan in terms of storage and size. It's also very lightweight, so it's easy to move from room to room. If you think you might have trouble kind of moving this from the bedroom to the living room and whatever, you won't. It's very lightweight, only a couple. It also has this nice little recessed handle in the back, so you can just pick it up like that and move it from room to room. The one thing that I do really like about this design, actually in particular, is this cord right here. The cord inlay that they cut out right here, and essentially what it helps to do is put the cord, or have the cord sitting through its own hole rather than just sitting under and making the fan lopsided. I have another tower fan that I use, and unfortunately that one sits lopsided because they didn't cut that little recessed thing underneath. So that was a really cool idea, I guess, for this company in particular, this brand, for them to do that. It's really nice. Also, this fan's obviously in white. I think they do come with a couple other colors. I don't know. They all look nice to me. I guess I just decided on white. Couldn't tell you why. The feel of this fan is definitely plasticky. Definitely not the, I would say, most durable feeling fan. Although I've had it for a few years now, and it's really never done me wrong. But definitely not the best feeling fan in the world in terms of like quality, I guess. But overall, if you're looking for a nice, easy tower fan, to get you going for the summer, I would highly recommend this. The Kaz Honeywell Tower Fan. Great buy. All right, guys, stay cool.